Why telomeres are shortening in humans while in some other species they are always at full length? Elizabeth Blackburn from the University of California, Berkeley, discovered why, and with this discovery she won the Nobel Prize in 2009. While she was working on germinal cells, the ones which are responsible for reproduction, she found out that their telomeres never shorten. And this is again a nature miracle, in a sense that life will be impossible if an embryo inherited from his parent short telomeres. Considering the millions of necessary cells duplication during pregnancy, all the cells will reach senescence in few days, and the fetus will never reach maturity. Elizabeth found out why. The germinal cells has a special enzyme called telomerase, which is genetically controlled and activated permanently. When telomerase is activated, it will rebuild every piece of telomere which is lost, and this is almost magic. Piece by piece, brick by brick. So why it is not the same in all the other cells? Elizabeth Blackburn found out that all our cells possess telomerase, but unfortunately they are in a sleeping state. Their gene is repressing them to work. Why? Well, it's still a secret that nature is keeping. But if we discover how to turn the telomerase gene from off to on in all our cells, we may have the secret of immortality. And this is why many research labs try to discover. One of them, the Geron Corporation in US, while working on ancient Chinese remedies, discovered that in the root of one herb called Astragalus membranus, there was one specific ingredient capable of turning on the telomerase gene. They call it telomerase activator, and give it a special name code, TA65. Geron Corporation worked almost 10 years in this TA65, searching for safety and efficiency in vitro first, which means in cell culture, and in vivo means on human cells. This sold all the patent and result to a Newark-based company, TA Science, which is now promoting the molecule all over the world. So what is the connection with Finiti Jeunesse? Made an agreement with TA Science to get exclusive rights to use TA65 all over the world in the direct cells industry, and we included TA65 in Finiti. While TA65 being the major ingredient, it is not the only one. We included vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin B9, and other ingredients as choline, fucoidan, coenzyme Q10, purslane, which is rich in omega-3, tocotrienol, and tocopherols. So what happened when we start using Finiti? After taking Finiti, telomerase start to be activated in cells where telomeres are critically short. At the moment when telomeres are longer than 5,000 base pair, cells start to divide again, and life is back in those cells. It is progressive as TA65 reach more and more cells. And if you take it on a regular basis, the process of cells rejuvenation will start.